With its rich cultural heritage and diverse cuisine, has gifted the world a plethora of delightful dishes. One such culinary masterpiece that has gained international fame is China fried rice. A harmonious blend of aromatic rice, succulent meats or vegetables, and a symphony of flavors. China fried rice is a true embodiment of Chinese cuisine. In this essay, we will explore the origins, ingredients, cooking techniques, and cultural significance of this delectable dish, providing an in-depth understanding of China fried rice. Origins and cultural significance. Fried rice has a long history in China and can be traced back to the Tang dynasty, 618 to 907 AD. It was initially created as a way to repurpose leftover rice and various ingredients, making it both economical and flavorful. Over time, this humble dish evolved and became a staple in Chinese cuisine, finding its way into households, street food stalls, and high-end restaurants alike. China fried rice holds immense cultural significance in Chinese culinary traditions. It is commonly served during special occasions, such as festivals, family gatherings, and celebratory meals. The dish symbolizes abundance, prosperity, and togetherness, making it an integral part of Chinese celebrations. Furthermore, China fried rice has transcended borders and gained popularity worldwide, becoming a beloved dish in Chinese restaurants across the globe. Ingredients. China fried rice is a versatile dish that allows for countless ingredient variations. The core ingredients typically include cooked rice, protein, such as chicken, pork, shrimp, or tofu, eggs, vegetables, and seasonings. Let's delve into each component. Rice, long grain rice, such as jasmine or basmati, is commonly used for China fried rice. It is essential to use leftover rice that has been cooled, as freshly cooked rice tends to be sticky and clumped together. Protein. The choice of protein greatly influences the flavor and texture of the dish. Chicken, pork, shrimp, and tofu are popular options. The protein is usually marinated in soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and sometimes rice wine before cooking. Eggs. Beaten eggs are a crucial component of China fried rice. They are often scrambled separately and then mixed with the other ingredients. The eggs add a velvety texture and enhance the overall taste. Vegetables. A colorful assortment of vegetables adds vibrancy and nutrition to the dish. Common choices include carrots, peas, bell peppers, onions, scallions, and bean sprouts. These vegetables are typically chopped or diced into small pieces for even distribution. Seasonings. The seasoning plays a pivotal role in flavoring China fried rice. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper are commonly used to impart the distinct umami taste. Additional seasonings like garlic, ginger, and chili can be added for a personalized touch. Significance have made it a beloved dish in Chinese cuisine. From its humble beginnings as a frugal way to repurpose leftovers, China fried rice has evolved into a dish that embodies abundance, togetherness, and celebration. Whether enjoyed in a small family gathering or savored at a Chinese restaurant on the other side of the world, China fried rice continues to bring joy and satiation to all who taste its flavorsome embrace.